So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am here in Bayswater, or I'm going to my favorite restaurant, which is called Preto. It's Brazilian, beef all you can eat. Well, meat all you can eat, but I eat beef. And then you know, condiments and sides are amazing. So this is one of my favorite places, or I thought, you know, I need to share it with you. So do let me know how you like the food, and I would recommend it to anyone coming here. And this Bayswater area has a lot of good eating places, halal eating places, most of them. So this is the cheese board, and the other condiments. The Brazilians, they like their sauces, they like the greens as well, the salads, Caesar salads, and also they like rice, plantain, different type of halloumi, potato, and fried banana as well, which is very tasty. Not testing it now, there everything looks delicious. There's a lot of variety in the salad bar, and I've got this is garlic beef, one of my favorite. Very nice taste. And can I have one more piece? Thank you. Thank you. This is the chicken, lightly seasoned, salty. So I've got garlic beef and chicken with mayo and chili sauce. Amazing. The neck is here, hamara favorite meat. This is the favorite meat right now because it's very salty, and it's like, I think, shawarma meat, but extremely well done. And the fat is caramelized, and it's very juicy, and it's breaking down. So Anab, you are enjoying the beef neck, right? Yeah. So you wouldn't expect this to be the best meat you are having, the neck side, but yes, there's a lot of flavor in neck. So this is sirloin, and we like the well done part, but he's giving us the different part as well. I think I've got enough. Okay, yeah, okay, thank you. So अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि ये जो grill है, yeah, okay. So thank you very much. So this is the lovely grill where all the magic happens, and you can see different meats all going. I think at least how many types of meat we have? Like 15 type of meat right now. You know, heating away, caramelizing the fat, and it's just lovely. And we are tasting it, and we are full, but it's look like our eyes are not full, our stomachs are full. Just coming out of Preto, and you must have seen how amazing the place is. The quality of the sides are excellent, and it's £27 per head, adult, with child I think half price. But on Wednesdays they have a special offer where you can get buy one get one free, but for that you need two things. You need to book in advance. So go and book in advance first for Wednesday. There are certain places which take the booking, and then you get a code. So don't activate the code, you have to come down into the restaurant and say I'm at the restaurant, and then activate the code. So it's a process, but I used it and it works. So you know, buy one get one free is great, especially when you have and the amount of meat and all you can have. I think it's well worth it. I've gone to restaurants where you know end up paying hundreds of pounds for food which is not worth it. So in England I think it's a must visit place, and also in London especially, and hope you enjoy.